In today's video, I will tell you exactly how to use protection gear in lands of jail to keep your guards and prisons secure. First of all, we have to learn what is protection gear exactly. The protection gear is equipment used by guards to reduce damage, control riots better, and survive dangerous situations inside the prison. First of all, you have to go to the equipment menu. Open your main menu and head to the guard or equipment section. Choose the guard you want to upgrade. Stronger guards should always get priority gear. You have to equip the protection gear. Tap on available gear slots like helmet, armor, or shield. Then select your protection gear and equip it. The fourth step is to upgrade the gear. If you have materials, upgrade your gear in order to increase defense stats. Higher levels mean better riot control and survivability. Match gear according to the situation. Use heavy protection gear for riot control zones and lighter gear for patrol or fast response units. Do not waste your best gear on weak guards. Focus on your main riot control team first. And that's how you use protection gear in lands of jail. Use the protection gear wisely so you can minimize the future riots and upcoming problems that you might face in-game. Like and subscribe for more quick guides and follow for more lands of jails tips and guides.